Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 sums in structure of atom. This is the second chapter in 11th standard. Okay, let us see the first question. See the first one. The energies of E1 and E2 of two radiations are 25 electron volt and 50 electron volt respectively. The relation between their wavelength lambda 1 and lambda 2 will be dash. Okay. Option A, lambda 1 is equal to lambda 2. Option B, lambda 1 is equal to 2 lambda 2. Option C, lambda 1 is equal to 4 lambda 2. Option D, lambda 1 is equal to 1 by 2 lambda 2. Okay, so we have to relate. That's a relation between, energy and wavelength. So that relation, if you know, means you can able to solve the sums. Next one, second question. What is the maximum number of electron that can be associated with following set of quantum numbers? N is equal to 3, L is equal to 1 and M is equal to minus 1. So it is based on quantum numbers topic. So option A 10, option B 6, option C 4, option D 2. Okay, next one. Third one. How many subshells are associated with N is equal to 4? That's a question. Okay, so we have to find out number of subshells if N is equal to 4. Option A 16, option B 9, option C 4, option D 1. We have one formula for that. Okay, so that formula, if you know, means you can be able to answer this. Next one. Fourth one. If an electron has spin quantum numbers plus 1 by 2 and magnetic quantum number minus 1, it cannot be present in dash. Option A D orbital, option B F orbital, option C P orbital, option D S orbital. Okay, so if the quantum number like this means which orbitals electron is not present. So that's a question. Okay, we have to find out. Next one. Fifth one, the number of 2p electrons having spin quantum number S is equal to plus 1 by 2 R. So if S is equal to plus 1 by 2, how many electrons are present in 2p? They're asking. Okay, option A 6, option B 0, option C 2, option D 3. Next one. Sixth one. If the speed of electron in Bohr's first orbit of hydrogen atom be x, then speed of electron in third orbit is dash. Option A x by 9, option B x by 3, option C 3x, option D 9x. Next one. Seventh one. The radius of hydrogen atom in the ground state is 0.53 angstrom. Is okay, then the radius of lithium 2 plus ion in a similar state is dash. Option A 0.17 angstrom, option B 0.53 angstrom, option C 0.265 angstrom, option D 1.06 angstrom. Okay, so these are the 7 questions. Okay, so study just go through the formulas. Here also so many formulas are there. If you know these formulas, you can able to answer all the 7 questions. The next day I will give the answer for this. Okay, thank you students.